Hey, I'm Fish. I'm starting out a little earlier. It's dark outside, and this is video mode. It's not easy holding the camera and using the Boya Magic microphone stick. This is what it sounds like with a separate receiver plus transmitter external mic. Put the mic over here, and I got the stick in the pocket. And this has like one of the best dongles that you can get on the market. They're fast. Full moon was yesterday. Is it still full? I'm going to switch over from video mode to pure video mode. I'm off of pure video mode. I do want to put back on pure video mode, but I had something come across the screen saying low light enabled. This is pure video mode. You can see the big difference, how one was not pure video mode and one is. Let's go back into video mode. I'm like a silhouette. So Luna Ultra, when using the camera, tells you some information that may or may not be correct. Could it be misleading? I'm not zooming in yet, but the lights lit up. As we start to zoom in some, you get to see what low-level lights look like. Through the tunnel of yelling and give a little high yelling. I'm in the tunnel of yelling. That sound good with the external mic from the Boya, the Magic, with 700,000 artificial intelligence included. Go across in the lights of the charter boats. They are lit on some. As we make our turn, we are still low level. The camera does an amazing job if asked. Me, it's a good camera, a great camera. A love and hate relationship, some may say. You may see it's like a little goldenish. For me, it's not when I look at it. At night, the Atlantis. As we zoom in, you may hear some fire engines. So let's get the shot and then try to get the fire engine coming down. You get to see what's in the building. 12 times zoom. You should start to see the fire engine coming by. And there he goes, making a turn. I was asked how I liked the Insta360 Luna Ultra, and I told the person I like the camera for the zooming. It's a great camera if asked. I was asked if I have any audio clipping with the Insta360 mic. And I don't use the Insta360 mic. I use the Insta360 mic Pro. I'm now testing out with the Boya Magic, and I don't have clipping. Not all will have what people find in the camera and issues. Someone made a video and someone else has the clipping as well. As dawn is here and low-level light is still around and the sunrise will happen soon. I'm not sticking around. I am going on to the amusement and capture the sunrise from there. I want to say about 5 seconds, the microphone connected and ready to use. I like to take a shot of this house, how well how well it's lit up and how it looks. Also, this house on the corner, how it has a soft Kelvin light lit up. In this house with bright lights, more in the cooler Kelvin style. Lights, and that's about all the houses that are lit up nicely. The lights of a car as we ride by. Bodegas lit up as we turn. As we head towards the boardwalk and on the beach. With some type of haze in the start of the day. The lights are on. It's still considered a low light shot as we zoom in while riding. In the distance, the workers sifting the sand. Did not do was showing the brightness of a bike light in full. As we'll capture the cruise ship that's directly ahead, and we'll try our best to zoom in and show you. And we'll hang out until the cruise ship passes. Is it worth the investment? Is it worth the purchase? Or is it worth waiting? Do you need a detachable screen? Or do you want a remote control type system? Or can you just simply use your smartphone? What if you lose items? Are they replaceable? Those are what you have to think about. If you're serious on your purchase. $769 to start, others $700, and others $600 plus without knowing a price today. I have like a minute's time to get down to the end while the ship is being escorted in. I'll do my best to zoom and show you what we're looking at. Right about there in the pole. It's not the best clear shot. I can barely see the ship in the screen due to the haze. I am zooming in. All right. I can barely see the ship in the distance. I am trying to concentrate and zoom in. And there she is in the lower left. And that is all I can get in there. If we move to the left, the aft of the ship, you may see in the distance the Coast Guard that's going in, and that's further in the distance. So we're going to try our best to center. What we can try to do is hit the auto tracking, and there we are. Now I could just sit here comfortably without worrying about going left, right, up, and down. Can I read you the name of the ship? Probably a celebrity. As we overlook the landscape, Wonder Wheel, we can see the sun is going to rise soon. The coloring in the sky. We have pigeons, and I'm like right on top of them. I'm going to zoom in and capture the pigeon real nice and close. Well, what's more important, getting the cruise ship or the sunrise? We'll do our best to get the sunrise. I'm going to bring you over here to a cleaner table, as you can see what I was on, and do my best to sit down and remember to clean you off. As the sun is rising, it goes up pretty fast. I still have time to grab the cruise ship, and the sun is be in the front and glow on the ship while the moon will be beside it. Well, let's see what the gentleman has caught. We don't need to zoom in any more than that. He has caught a fluke and a crab, a throwback of the fluke. Nice catch indeed, as you can see. We are on sunrise. Let's switch on over and take a photo before it goes away. We're back on the cruise ship, and we will zoom out by hitting the side button once. It's amazing what 12 times does to the video and present to you in a wonderful color that people can accept. But they will complain about how switching back and the f-stop and the difference of the lenses make. It's a beautiful day. Grab a shot when you can, where you can, with whatever camera you got. We're with 12 times lossless zoom with auto tracking, and we are centered, and we'll get the cruise ship going in. The sun should be hitting it, and it'll go around the bend. There is one shot I can go get, but by the time I get there, I will miss it. Is to go on the other side where the causeway to the Narrows meet. This is the vessel that's behind, escorting in the cruise ship. And this is 2.2 optical zoom, 1-inch sensor. I'd rather do a video of the whole thing. I'm doing segments of the shot as close as I can. As you can see, the ship is as close as it will be. Let's get on rolling and get on completing Highlight Out Talk. It is fascinating. I've been on the ships. I had my fun and my share, and it's one of the best places to enjoy your time. I just missed the ride. It just stopped. Is it going? It sure is. It's moving. Real slow. Let's see if we could catch it. Going. I'm waiting. And waiting. I'm not using the microphone. And if I short press it, nothing's going to happen. I only have it on as a logo. I'm using the Boya Magic. It's in the pocket right here. That's what I'm using. Does a nice job. The mics are small. Got a tripod area and a dongle area and a noise canceling area. You can hold it like so, but you're not going to get the voice this way. You're going to get it this way. These are just cosmetics. I don't want to lose this. The mic's over here. I went out this morning, had a good time before the sunrise, before dawn, getting into dawn, and now sunrise. It gives you the most ideal shots, what this camera can do in video mode, pure video mode, zooming, and photos. Did that machinery, take my voice away? And did it say more machinery than me? I am on noise canceling reduction, and I apologize. It is always noisy. It is windy. Is this the camera for all? No. Is it for some? Yes. Can most afford it? Not really. It is a camera of choice. You're not subject to get it because you see everybody out there getting one. Don't fall into the hype. You want hype? Doesn't matter who the company is. People are waiting out there for an Extra Muse 2 Pro. I will tell you this. You can wait. Get that camera. You'll love it. Trust me. I know you will. Right now, for me, I'm loving my Insta360 Luna Ultra. And I am going to get an Extra Muse 2 Pro. And I am going to one day compare it and see which one may be better. But please, I'm not going to get it right away. I'm going to get it when the price goes down. Do I really need to have a second camera that is identical in every single way? Not at all. I am watching the Coast Guard, the Navy, come in. And man, it is a shot. I'm just trying to get it right there. Zoom, 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 baby. And that is the shot for the day. Just amazing where we came with technology. We came a long way from digital zoom to lossless zoom. And that's what this is all about. It's not about the company or companies. It is about where technology has brought us today. And if you have to debate how good, bad, or ugly the camera or cameras are, then I don't know what's the right camera for you to get. I got what I got, and I'm happy with what I got. I'm going to continue on and hoping I will get some more low-level shots as the time comes. Nighttime shots. I want to see the place lit up in fireworks, but I know it won't be right away. One day it will be. I want to grab the train before it disappears. There's always another one right behind. And there you go. You can always get the shot you want. All this camera's missing is that cancel record, continuous record, and playback record. It's a great camera. I really like it. It's time for me to head on back, get on going, and put you away. I got plenty of battery power, and I did my shot, did my share, did my talk. I got to go meet up with Joe. I got to go take care of some bizwax. And we are going to see you on the next video.